Okay, so this is how a drive on a snowblower works. So this can all just freewheel on its own, but it's just basically attached with gears and chains that go to the, hook it up to the drive belt coming off the motor. But it's not activated, so to activate it, when you pull the lever, that plate moves up and it comes into contact with this drive wheel. And then depending on where that drive wheel is, it depends on how fast you go and what gear you're in. So if I have it all the way out, I'm in 5th, for example, and it's at the very edge, so it's going to be going as fast as it can because it's at the very edge of this disc. So if I turn it over, you can see that it's spinning it over like that. But then if I slide it down over to 1st, you can see it's on the very inside, and so it's going to be going a lot slower. I put it in, and now the wheels are spinning a lot slower. This one's pretty worn out. Yeah, but we got to take this part out and replace it because it's because the rubber was pretty worn out and it's not getting traction. So that's why when we tried to move this thing, only like 2 of the gears were working. So anyways, when I put it into reverse, it flips from this side to the other side. So it's going to be going backwards now because it's on the other side. So now the wheels will turn in reverse. Anyways, that's basically how it works. So there's not much to it. And then this bottom belt is just for the lower. So it just tightens it up and then it spins the head over. But yeah, that's basically how it works. So if you like this video, consider subscribing and leaving a comment. I'm no expert, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of figuring it out as I go. So yeah, I just thought it was kind of cool. So yeah, thanks for watching.